In the quiet hours before the shift begins, the machine is already breathing. Every day, 300 tons of raw ingredients arrive at these gates. The intake bay is the mouth of the beast, waiting to be fed. Wheat flour, the backbone of the process, is stored in monuments of steel. Under 40 psi of pressure, the flour travels at 60 miles per hour.
Concentrated tomato paste waits in the dark, sourced from 3 different continents. The cheese arrives in solid blocks, kept in a suspended state of hibernation. Before the dough can rise, the water must be purified to the molecular level. Before a single oven is lit, the journey begins with the arrival of raw ingredients on a massive scale. Pneumatic systems transport the flour at high speeds, ensuring it remains untouched by human hands until the moment of mixing. Hygiene is paramount. Every technician must pass through a multi-stage decontamination zone before entering the production floor.
From the control room, engineers monitor over 5,000 data points, adjusting variables in real time.
Samples are rigorously tested for gluten content and elasticity, ensuring the dough will rise perfectly in the ovens.
On the factory floor, the scale of operation becomes apparent as we approach the mixing hall.
Secondary ingredients like yeast and olive oil are verified digitally before being released into the production cycle. The process officially begins as flour, water, and yeast collide in the high-capacity spiral mixers. The bulk dough is fed into a volumetric divider, where hydraulic pistons measure portions by volume rather than weight, ensuring consistent density. To replicate the hand-rolled texture, conical rounders use centrifugal force to tighten the dough's outer skin, trapping carbon dioxide inside. Entering the proofing spiral, the dough travels for 40 minutes through a precise microclimate, allowing the yeast to activate and the volume to double. Inside the gluten network, trapped gas bubbles expand, transforming the dense ball into an airy structure ready for the press. Unlike traditional tossing, mass production utilizes heated hydraulic presses to flatten the dough instantly, searing the surface to prevent sogginess. To prevent blistering in the oven, a docking wheel punctures the dough, pinning the layers together while maintaining the crust's integrity. The crusts enter a par baking tunnel, where a brief exposure to high heat sets the yeast and gelatinizes the starches without browning the dough. Before toppings can be added, the par-baked crusts must be cooled rapidly to prevent the sauce from soaking into the bread.
To achieve the perfect crust thickness, the dough undergoes a multi-stage reduction process, pressed by chilled steel rollers.
Perforation is essential. The Docker spikes ensure heat distributes evenly, preventing the crust from blistering in the oven. A viscosity-controlled cascade applies the signature sauce, recycled constantly to ensure zero waste on the line. Low-moisture mozzarella is showered onto the line, with optical scanners verifying the coverage density. Slicing happens directly over the line. The turret speed is synchronized to the belt, ensuring perfect distribution. They enter the par baking tunnel. The goal isn't to cook it fully, but to set the yeast structure and fuse the toppings. Laser topography scanners inspect every unit. Any pizza that doesn't meet the strict visual criteria is automatically rejected. From the oven to the Arctic, the spiral freezer drops the core temperature to -30 degrees in less than 20 minutes. Precision is paramount. Hydraulic dividers portion the dough within a fraction of a gram to ensure uniform baking.
Before flattening, the dough must be rounded and rested, allowing the gluten network to relax for the journey ahead.
High-pressure rollers begin the transformation, gently guiding the dough from sphere to sheet without destroying its structure. To prevent blistering in the oven, the docker perforates the surface, pinning the crust down for a flat, even bake. Pneumatic pumps drive the spiced tomato blend through the facility, maintaining precise viscosity for the application ahead. The waterfall method coats every millimeter of the crust, while a sophisticated recycling loop ensures zero waste. Automated brushes reclaim the edge, defining the crust perimeter where the consumer will eventually hold the slice. On the mezzanine, solid blocks of low-moisture mozzarella are transformed into a cascade of uniform shreds. At this stage, high-speed volumetric dividers segment the bulk mass, ensuring every pizza begins with precisely the same potential. Centrifugal force replaces the chef's hands, tightening the gluten skin to prepare the dough for its fermentation journey. Entering the spiral proofer, the dough rests in a tropical climate, allowing the yeast to awaken and the structure to develop. Production rollers apply calculated pressure, transforming the proofed spheres into uniform canvases ready for toppings. To prevent uneven rising in the oven, docking pins perforate the surface, tethering the top and bottom layers of the crust together. A calibrated weir creates a waterfall of seasoned tomato sauce, guaranteeing total coverage for every single unit. Automated spreaders mimic the pizzaiolo's touch, distributing the sauce evenly while preserving the crucial outer crust.
In the cold room, tons of mozzarella and pepperoni are processed just in time to meet the incoming line of sauced bases.
Positive displacement pumps ensure that every gram of sauce is accounted for, eliminating waste while maximizing coverage.
Rotary spreaders mimic the hand motion of a pizzaiolo, but at speeds human hands could never sustain.
To maintain flowability, the cheese is shredded in a chilled environment, preventing the proteins from binding prematurely.
Recirculation systems recover any cheese that misses the target, keeping yield efficiency near 100%.
Slicing happens directly above the line, ensuring the toppings are fresh and haven't lost their shape in storage.
Targeting templates ensure uniform distribution, guaranteeing every slice contains the exact same caloric value.
Lasers map the topography of the toppings, rejecting any unit that deviates from the standard by more than 3%. Before packaging, the product must be flash frozen to -40 degrees to lock in freshness.
Maintaining a sauce temperature of 75 degrees ensures optimal viscosity for the initial coating. Automated spreaders replicate the hand-tossed motion, guaranteeing coverage within a 2 mm tolerance.
Vibratory feeders calibrate the flow of mozzarella, ensuring a consistent melt profile for every unit.
Laser scanning confirms the cheese distribution is uniform, preventing uneven cooking in the consumer's oven.
Slicing happens directly above the line, preserving the essential oils and flavor of the cured meat.
Vision systems coordinate with pneumatic jets to target the toppings at processing speeds of up to 300 pies per minute.
Before freezing, every millimeter is scanned for density and contaminants, ensuring absolute product safety. The journey now turns vertical, entering a spiral deep freeze that locks in freshness in under 20 minutes. Optical sorters analyze surface topology and bake color, instantly rejecting any pie that deviates from the golden standard. Before freezing, the product must equalize. A rapid temperature drop now would shatter the crust's cellular structure. Synchronized blades apply calculated pressure, dividing the pie without displacing a single gram of topping. Entering the spiral freezer, the temperature plummets to 40 degrees below zero in seconds. Flash freezing prevents large ice crystals from forming, preserving the dough's texture for the home oven. Engineers monitor the thermal curve constantly, balancing energy efficiency with food safety requirements. Emerging rock hard, the pizzas are now stable enough to withstand the high-impact packaging line. Vacuum sealing removes oxygen, preventing freezer burn and locking in freshness until the consumer breaks the seal.
To preserve freshness, the product must undergo rapid thermal reduction immediately after baking. The spiral design maximizes vertical space, allowing thousands of units to freeze simultaneously within a compact footprint. Emerging at -18 degrees, the pizzas are now rigid enough to withstand high-speed packaging machinery.
Computer vision algorithms analyze topping distribution with micron-level precision. Defective units are removed instantly, ensuring only perfect products reach the packaging phase. Intelligent flow control systems balance the load across multiple packaging lines. A multi-layer polymer film provides the first line of defense against oxidation.
Heat shrinking creates a hermetic seal that locks in the ingredients and prevents shifting during transport.
Exiting the spiral freezer, the pizzas are now frozen solid at -40 degrees, locking in freshness instantly.
Optical scanners analyze every millimeter, rejecting any pie that doesn't meet the strict visual standards.
Shrink wrapping seals the product in an airtight layer, essential for maintaining shelf life during distribution.
Automated cartoners erect, load, and seal the boxes faster than the human eye can follow.
Robotic arms take over the heavy lifting, palletizing thousands of units per hour with geometric precision.
Before shipping, the pallets are stored in a massive deep freeze warehouse, awaiting their dispatch orders.
Leaving the facility, these pizzas begin the final leg of their journey to freezers across the country.
Once packaged, the pizzas enter a suspended state of animation within the massive cold storage facility.
Dozens of trucks depart daily, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken from the factory to the grocery store.
Every mile is calculated to maintain the integrity of the product until it reaches the consumer's hands.
Behind these walls, the cycle continues through the night, driven by global demand for convenience and quality.
Precision engineering and rigorous data analysis ensure that every single pizza meets the same high standard.
And that's how a modern pizza is made, from raw materials to the final product.